Hi everyone, Michelle here, just getting ready for my next ICEA approved childbirth educator workshop. So what kind of things do we learn in a workshop? We might be looking at positioning, we might look at other comfort techniques. There's our handbook that we work with. We look at how to use a rebozo, looking at nutrition. We have our pelvis and our baby. We do lots of mock labor support, as well as looking at how to play games to make your classrooms very exciting. We look at different types of postpartum, what happens in postpartum, birth wishes. We talk about interventions, dilation and effacement. We talk about breastfeeding. I teach you lots of different ways of how to make your classroom engaging for people to really enjoy. We also take a look at massage techniques. So there's a lot of things you're going to learn in an ICEA approved workshop. Then, if you add on our business workshop, I will work with you to teach you how to get your business up and running. So we look at what type of business you want to create. We look at advertising, website design, everything you can think of, from taking your workshop to getting your business up and working successfully. So if you missed me in St. Louis, check out my website, mtmtraining.org, to learn more about how you can sign up for one of my next workshops. Thanks, have a great day.